Feind ist tot!
I brought you this video about the best sniper classes for Battle Royale this season. Don't forget to like and comment. Except for Car 98, which is meta and special range for one-shot, COD AMR also one-shot. The problem with Car 98 is that it is difficult to work with it at high ranges because of the optics with low zoom and bullet drop. It needs practice. CAD AMR also has weaknesses that I tried to improve for you in this build, bullet drop and bullet velocity, but you still need to aim accurately and calculate bullet drop. FJX, MCPR, and XRK usually knock the enemy in the upper body with 2 shots, and after nerfing the snipers, headshots at any distance are no different from the chest shit. In my opinion, more sniper is great in multiplayer, but not in Battle Royale. Although in the original version you can kill the enemy with a full-plate headshot, but this does not happen in mobile.
Yes, go on, hadi. تخفشم از سری.
Fight for a chance to redeploy.
Be glad you did.
باتون تموم نمیشه لعنتون رو باگم درسته هم داریم اتفاق میشه
Enemy down.
I don't know.
Find cover. Enemy UAV
بابا گفتم نریم به خدا اشتباه میکنیم میریم اینطوری نه حتما نگیم
Enemy down. Check your fire.
بازی نه 4 نفرن چرا نمیگی داشتی هر کنی درست
Check fire.
Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover. Friendly mortar strike inbound. Enemy UAV active.
دو نفر اون تو آبی خورد
نزدیک کارت میخوام
Closing in. Enemy dropping into the AR. UAV active.
Throwing smoke. Come on, get up. Taking fire. Requesting ordnance. Position mark.
Copy. Mortar strike inbound now.
وای 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 زد
وای
منو.
من زومگیر شده زومگیر شده
گو هم ندارم خودمو بگیرم موندم من.
Teammates sent to the gulag. Fighting's done. The area's cleared out.
Moving.
Orada. Bu taraf. Tamam.
Made him a minger.
Mal mal
It's a win.